Hello students, today I am going to explain 27th problem from your textbooks from non-trading concerns. And in this problem, we are provided with the expenditure and income account, that is income and expenditure account is given and there some balances are given. Now we need to prepare opening balance sheet, closing balance sheet as well as the receipts and payments account. Opening balance sheet is nothing but balance sheet as on 31st/12/2004 and the closing balance sheet is 31st/12/2005. And here with the help of incomes and expenditures we have to prepare your receipts and payments account. Let us see first income. Income we have receipts, the subscriptions is given 25. Subscriptions are given 25,000, but we have some information. Subscriptions outstanding, subscriptions received in advance. Now we'll see them. So two subscriptions which is given on the income side 25,000 plus subscriptions for 2004 which is given 7,000 minus subscriptions for 2005 10,000 and advance for 2004 it should be deducted and advance for 2005 should be added. As we are preparing the problem for 2005 we are going to consider all the 2005 information. As this is the opening balance or receipts and payments account, we are considering this. So I repeat once again, two subscriptions 25,000 plus subscriptions for 2004 7,000, that is subscriptions outstanding, and subscriptions 2005 should be deducted, and next advance for 2004 and advance for 2005. This we have to consider all this, and after considering all these adjustments we have 22,100 your subscription. Next interest rate is given 9,000. Next donations which are given 4,000, miscellaneous receipts which are given 300, and next expenditure we have to see and we have to post on the payment side. By salaries 23,500 minus outstanding for 2005 which is given on other information, minus outstanding for 2005 1,500 plus outstanding for 2004 1,000, and next we have the total of 23,000, and next surgery and dispensary which is given due for 2004 and due for 2005. These two information is given in the other information, we have deducted and we have added that, and next opening stock is also there, so we have added this, and the closing stock is also, opening stock should be deducted and closing stock should be added. So after considering all these adjustments we have 2,700, and next rent and taxes are given, insurance is given, office expenses is given, additions to the furniture is given, additions to the instruments are given, and now we have to balance your balance sheet. That is, this is from the balance which is given the other information, and once we have balanced this we got 11,100, and this has to be considered, this amount has to be considered as the cash, because the closing balance of cash on 2004 is not given. In this place we have to consider this amount 11,100. Once we consider all those things we have to open your opening balance sheet with the 2004 information. As cash I told you, this amount is from your receipts and payments account. Government securities which are given, the value is given 1,80,000, subscriptions outstanding is given 7,000, furniture 2,000, land and buildings 20,000, instruments 3,500, stock of medicines 300. All this information, this we have considered from here. This information we have considered here. Only this place, in this place we have considered receipts and payments account balance, and the capital fund, this is a balancing figure, and subscriptions received in advance 500, salaries outstanding 1,000, surgery expenses outstanding 200. So once we have posted your assets and liabilities, we got the capital fund 4,02,200, and next we have to carry forward that to capital fund here, and this we will be having a surplus, and this surplus is from your income and expenditure, it is given here. We have added the surplus, and next subscriptions received in advance 600, salaries outstanding 1,500, surgery expenses 300, cash at bank, government securities, subscriptions outstanding, furniture, land and building, instruments and stock of medicines which are given here. And these amounts all we have considered, it is provided in your problem, that is 31st/12/2005. All these balances, with the help of these balances we have provided, we have prepared the balance sheet as on 31st/12/2005. With the balances of 31st/12/2004, we have prepared this balance sheet and we found the capital fund. And next, with the help of 31st/12/2005, with the help of all these balances, we have prepared balance sheet as on 31st/12/2005. We got the balance sheet as tallied. So like this you have to prepare when the income and expenditure is given. you need to prepare receipts and payments account. As you know, the balance sheet or preparation of balance sheet will remain same. Thank you, students. If you have any doubts, you can post the queries in the group.